Welcome to our channel. Today we how to disable Arlo geofencing in motion zones, detailed guide step by step clearly. To disable geofencing in your Arlo app, first, log into your account if prompted. Once logged in, tap on the menu icon located in the upper left corner of the screen. From the menu, select Settings. Next, select Geofencing. You will see a toggle switch for geofencing. Switch the toggle to the off position. This will disable geofencing for your Arlo device. Now, let's move on to disabling motion zones. In the app, return to the menu icon. Select Devices to view all your connected cameras. Choose the camera for which you want to disable motion zones. Tap on Settings for that specific camera. Scroll down and select Motion Zones. You will see a list of existing motion zones. To disable a specific motion zone, tap on it. Find the toggle switch and turn it to the off position. If you want to delete it completely, select the option to delete the zone. Confirm the deletion as prompted. Repeat this for any additional motion zones you want to disable. Once finished, go back to the camera settings. Your motion zones are now successfully disabled. Remember to check if your settings are saved. Now you have completed the process of disabling geofencing in motion zones in your Arlo app. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.